Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dover, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated northeast. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. A dangerous storm will be near Clarksville around 8:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations affected by the tornadic thunderstorm include Elmira, Cumberland City, Cunningham, and Coverdale. Sunbasement floors and materials on the lowest floor of sturdy buildings. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, listen according to the shelter to protect yourself from flying debris.
So proud, because nothing instills pride quite like mowing equidistant lines at fescue. After putting in 5 grueling days of work, don't you get a relaxing mower-free day off? Of course you do. After all, you are in North Carolina. Come on, man.